cutie.
¿Qué te pasa? Yo no soy tu hija de vecino. Yo no soy tu
That's Dean Martin singing the song. And Michael Bublé. Yeah, it's not a very big hall. Oh shit. I'll stand back so I can get you in it.
Beautiful show.
I am playing video. This must feel like when you're the red carpet, huh? Wow.
I'm sorry. Your mom and I were... Yeah, that was crazy.
That shit was fucking really good. No. Next to the Moulin Rouge. Guy with... p.m.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Last night, we went to the Moulin Rouge. It was amazing. VIP. Great show, which Frank Sinatra played there one time, according to what Tia read in the book. We got VIP treatment. We got to drink champagne on ice, which was really good. Met an Argentinian who got me some cigarettes. That was a really nice guy. Then we went to an Irish pub. Met a lot of Americans. Did a lot of dancing. It was fun. Met some special forces bodyguard guys. I think it was actually Blackwater teams. And we survived. Learned some stuff in Paris. And by the grace of God, I'm safe.
Slept under the
Slept a little bit under the Arc.
tower or
The Arc of Triumph.
Yeah.
And I walked home, got McDonald's, called an Uber, and we slept all day. And then now we made our first meal in Paris, spaghetti. So, yep, God willing, tomorrow we have at a expensive dinner at, what's it called?
La Tour
d'Art. It's a very pristine, expensive restaurant. And then God willing, we head over to Venice on the 17th. So, yeah.